we go, over the bridge. Oh, and it's a windy day too. This bridge is going to take us right into Minnesota from Wisconsin. Here we are. Goodbye, Wisconsin. Hello, Minnesota. This has been a really nice drive. There's like hardly any traffic. We are rolling through Grand Rapids, Minnesota. Welcome to downtown Grand Rapids. Why, thank you. Past the sign said population 10,000. It's like I'm about 30 miles out of my camp. I'm going to 6 Mile Lake. Continuing along Highway 2 west. Dirt road. Oh, I'm so glad the sun came out. It's still windy as heck, but it's good to see the sun. A little brown sign here says 6 Mile Lake access. Might be where the campground is. Give it a shot. Could just be a boat ramp. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, looks like a spot right there. Little rock fire ring. Let's drive the whole thing first. Let's see. 3 spots so far. And a nice trailer there. I might take that one at the end of the loop there. I'm gonna go back and double check this first one. Hey, how you doing?
Brian.
I'm doing, hey, real good.
Yeah, we're fans.
Okay, fancy meeting you here.
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought you were in New Hampshire.
I'm a little behind in doing videos. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this spot right here. It looked nice and level. So funny, meeting people everywhere I go. Yeah, I think if I back in, I can even get some sun on the solar panel. Nice to see the sun too. Perfect. Let's do it. We'll give you a little shot of what I ended up with. Nice, actually kind of big area here. Little rock fire ring here. It does have some trash in it, so I'll try to gather that up and haul it out of here. And there's a few nice big logs here. I might saw these up and use them as firewood. So this is it. The lake is right through the trees here. Oh my gosh, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. Being in the trees like this, even though it's really windy, you just get that really nice sound of the wind blowing through the trees and really don't feel much of the wind because the trees are blocking it. Not like it is out in the desert. When it's windy, man, you really feel it. Loving it. So glad to be at a camp. Wow, what a nice lake. I didn't realize it was this big. Like some sort of dock over there. That must be a private. We are in National Forest. I don't know what that's all about. Look at this. What a beautiful day. Loving it. Yes. Well, this is it for me here at 6 Mile Lake. I spent a lot of time here working on the laptop. I just wanted to get caught up on videos. I was a little behind, and I try to get a little bit ahead because I'm going to be at a job here pretty soon. and spent a lot of time getting back to your guys' emails. It's really great, the feedback I've gotten. It's been very good to get in touch with a lot of you guys and hear that you can relate with me and that we have similar feelings about life in general. So that's been very uplifting and just feeling really good about that. But it does take me some time to get through those emails. So I'm packed up. I'm going to hit the road. I've got a couple hours ahead of me before my next camp. I need to stop and stock up on supplies. Still getting used to not having a fridge. So let's do this. The adventure continues. Hey, I see our little city park. Oh, this brings back memories. I first hit the road 4 years ago. First time I did the beet harvest, I came in and camped here. Let's see if we can snag a spot. Hendrum Community Park. Wow, these guys look like they've been here a while. We might be able to pull off in the grass somewhere. Meeting my buddy Jack out here. He's got a little Class C. Toyota. So maybe he can pull in front of me. Well, we'll give you a look at the camp spot here. This is actually working out real good. My friends Jack and Sinead pulled in, so they're parked right there. And I'm here. I've kind of got this open space here, and the road is just right here, but so far this is working out. So just kind of hanging out, adjusting to the cool weather. It was very cold last night. We did have a little campfire. Show you what we ended up doing. Using this old propane grill that Jack's been using for years, and he took out the propane stuff and just used it as a little fire pit last night. And that worked out real good. This is a look at the little park here. It's just a nice little community park. Seems like it doesn't get used that much. There is a ball field over here, as well as some horseshoe pits, and this little covered area here, picnic tables and that. And there are 2 flush toilet bathrooms there, a men and a women's, very nice, and a water spigot. And that's the pull-in spots over here for, there's 4 spots I believe. 1, 2, actually I guess, yeah, technically 4 spots. Full hookups that I guess you're supposed to go into the town hall and pay. I believe it's $14 a night for full hookups, electricity, water, and sewer. And just a nice little atmosphere in the trees. Of course, it's been kind of cold and cloudy, but just a nice little place to stage up till we're due at our next seasonal job. Well, I just took a walk down this bridge here. I'm just right across. Our park and campsite is over here. Just wanted to get a look at this river. It's actually a pretty decent size running through here. Wow, look at all these trees built up here. This little river. Well, we were just about ready to head out on a ride here. I took my trail bike out for a little spin, got it warmed up. Jack was getting ready to start up his Tomos here, and the twist throttle cracked. Something in there cracked, so we're temporarily grounded. He's going to see if he can take it apart, do a quick fix, see what we come up with. There's quite a few fields out here, sugar beets. They must have a piling site somewhat close to here. Hey, buddy. Hey.